Sure as hell new to me. Hello and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I am going to do a review of a new website that I found that I think had some awesome clothes on it. And these are perfect clothes for your vacation, perfect clothes to go to work. They're just awesome looking. So I thought anyway. So if you want to see what I got and what I thought about them, stay tuned. And while you're doing that, make sure to click that button so you will know every time I upload a new video. Okay, so did you subscribe to my channel? Are you following me on Instagram? I hope so. Anyway, all you sassy, classy, young and mature women, this is a perfect site for you. I got my glasses on because I don't have my contacts. My eyes are irritated today. It is about 109 degrees in Arizona. So let's get to it. So this is what I got. It's a site called, so I found some great items off of Yessss, and I ordered these in May, and I got them probably about in 2 weeks. They are coming from overseas, so it takes about 2 weeks to get them. They were shipped in a FedEx package, so I was impressed with that. So it probably would have took longer if they didn't send them by FedEx, but anyway, 2 weeks is not long. And the items that I got were, I'll give you the prices as we go through them, but the total I spent for about 6 outfits was about $117. And girl, that can be one outfit sometime. So let me show you what I got. Jumpsuit. And I know you saying, what the hell? These are all sorts of colors. But let me tell you, this is cute. This is cute if you're going to a festival. This is cute if you're going to a backyard little barbecue. If you can even really wear this to the office. It's made out of nylon. I got this in a size large because I didn't know how it was going to fit, and I was reading, of course, their little guide to sizes on there, and sometimes I have to go with the booty size rather than the top size. So I got this in a size large. Flare little bell bottom thing at the bottom. That took me back to the old days, girl, when you had those little flared out bell bottom pants. You know they bad. You know they bad. Because what's old is new again. And this one, it is so cute. Oh, sorry. That jumpsuit was $18.49, and it is called the Bohemian Trumpet-Shaped jumpsuit. This one was, let's see, I'm going out of order here, but this one was about, let's see, this one was $15.49, and it is cute. Now, let me tell you what I kind of didn't like about it. This is still nylon, but when I first took it out of the wrapper, it almost felt like a shower curtain. Now, I'm just saying, it almost did. But it has a little zipper in the back which goes down pretty low, so it gives you time to go in. And all the sizes that I ordered, except for this one, I ordered this in a medium because it looked like it was going to fit kind of flowy. So everything else I got in a large, I believe. So this was cute. I loved it. It's a plain white dress with big polka dots at the bottom. It's going to hit me kind of low, but I thought if I bought a nice little belt with it, it was going to cuff it and make it look absolutely cute. and it has a little teeny collar at the top. It's very lightweight, and you know with me, these sleeves, I'm just always you know, rubbing these, tightening these sleeves up. So, oh, this is the front. Oh, my bad. Okay, so it has a zipper in the front, so you can zip this down a little bit, zip it up a little bit. But anyway, it is absolutely cute. I loved it. So yeah, putting the hands all over you. So you might not want to wear this when you gotta have kids with you, because there are no pockets, but this will look great. I'll show you how I styled it. And this one here, oh, this is so colorful and beautiful. Now this little dress, it cost me about let's see, it was 20, no, what was it? This one was $14.99, and this is actually, I got this in a large, and it's probably going to be too big for me a little bit, because it's hella long. I mean, hella long. And as you can see, it dips pretty low in the front, which, you know, you can take up the sleeves, well, not the sleeves, but the little straps. But it's hella long. Oh my God. Who in the hell? They must have thought somebody was super giant. This is supposed to drag the ground just a little bit, but it would be a gown on me. I mean, but the colors are so vibrant. It has the little animal print tossed in there. It is super, super cute. I hope the camera's picking up the pretty colors in here, because it's awesome. It is really, really nice. I love this color. So I got that one, and to go along with my theme, I saw this tie-dye. I got this one in a size large as well. The back is out. With this one, you want to make sure that I think it's going to be just a little bit too big up around the breast area, because it kind of flares out. So I could have got away with a medium in this top, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it, because some of these sites you have to buy a size up or 2 sizes up. It just depends. So you know, it's a crap shoot. Do they say crap shot, crap shoot, whatever? Anyway, so it depends on what site you're ordering from, but I would say this site is probably true to size. Because this definitely gives a lot of room on the side, and that's probably going to be too big for me, so I probably will wind up having to take it up on the sides. But oh my goodness, it is just awesome. The color is cute, the fabric is nice. It's not that stretchy, but it kind of flares out at the bottom, almost like a fishtail. But I thought this is really cute for vacation. It's cute for going out to just dinner with your man. It is absolutely stunning, and I'll show you how I styled that as well. And the next one I got was this little pink shirt dress. You know, I like shirt dresses. They're simple. You can toss these on when you're going to the grocery store. And what's better than pink? Every girl, woman, and teeny bopper loves pink. So I picked this up, and it has my pockets, of course. So this could be perfect with the grandkids. This material feels so soft. This is made out of cotton and polyester. I'm sure it's going to hit me just above the knee, but it's super, super cute. And yeah, dress it up if you're going out. Dress it down if you're just going to the grocery store. But anyway, this little dress right here is $12.99. You gotta go pick this up. $12.99. This little thing is just so cute. I'm telling you, it can be sexy too. Don't get it twisted. So I got that, and then I picked up this little. Sorry about the wrinkles. This was kind of balled up in there, but I picked this little denim skirt up, and this little denim skirt was about $21.49. So it has little pockets too, but I thought this was just cute, especially if you can put a little tube top underneath it, or you can just put another little shirt. It has little pockets to it, and it's going to hit you right above the well, below the ankle is where it's going to hit me, because I'm a shorty. But it's just absolutely cute. It has these little buttons going down the front. I hope you can see that. So what I believe, or what I think about the store, is that it has some great clothes. So if you don't do anything else, go check them out. They have lots and lots of different varieties of clothing there. The quality is great. I would say their sizing is going to be true to form. So you might just pick up the normal size that you wear. You might even want to size down. I could have probably went to a small in some of these pieces, because I'm about 5'3", 139 pounds. So yeah, those are typically my my height and weight. So I could have probably went for a small or medium in some of these outfits, but hey, live and learn. But yeah, check their site out. They have some awesome clothes. I am not sponsored by them. I bought these on my own. I just am trying out some new sites that you might want to go to and check them out. Yeah, they got some awesome clothes. And hey guys, I got some new hair. I went red. I picked up this unit from Allie Grace, and it came in this nice little box here, and I got it in a what did I get? I got this one in a Peruvian wave 20-inch, and I went ahead and dyed it red. And in their little box, you know, you get it with a nice little instruction on how to take care of your hair, and they give you some nice little lashes to go with it. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. Yeah, Peruvian loose wave. Oh, I got 22-inch. That's what I got. Sorry. So yeah, and I went ahead and dyed that red. And so I'm gonna be a redhead. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have some more videos coming up. I've got a haul from Ulta. I've got another haul from another store. So I've got lots of things coming up that I hope that you will enjoy. And come back and watch me, and make sure that you click the subscribe button. And those of you that are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I certainly appreciate it. And as always, kisses, and see you soon. Subscribe, click the button, get my notifications. See ya.